So for attorneys in your firm that are looking to do presentations or trainings for your clients, how can you help them make those presentations more impactful? I'm Yulia Leroux, co-founder of 2020 Leadership Group, co-creator of 2020 Leadership Group's Rainmaking Academy. I'm certified strategic coach for lawyers and law firms, and I'm also a former practicing attorney. So how can you help your attorneys make presentations or trainings that they deliver to clients truly impactful? There are a lot of tips out there, but what I want to do is share 3 key ones today. Tip number 1 is no speaking in legalese. We know attorneys love to use legalese. In fact, they're very comfortable using those terms. And the reality is, even if the client is also a lawyer and house attorneys, and they technically will understand those terms, unless those terms are absolutely required, when it's a presentation or training, you want to use plain language, normal terms, and avoid industry jargon. Tip number 2 has to do with PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a tool that the attorneys use to assist them in the presentation. The focus of the audience should be on the presenter, on the attorney, not on the PowerPoint. So a couple of things to keep in mind is to make sure that the PowerPoint has minimal text. If you have to use a quote or maybe display text from a statute or something else that's key to the presentation, that's fine. But to make sure that the entire text of the presentation is not displayed on the PowerPoint, because why do you need the presenter then if you could just simply read the PowerPoint? So keep the text to the minimum and emphasize visuals, charts, and other kind of visual guides that can help the audience to distill information that is being presented and also retain it. Tip number 3 is rehearse the presentation with them. Lawyers are known for being able to present really complex issues in court and otherwise in front of their clients when they're talking about a particular case. However, when you're doing a presentation that is training, or maybe it's a sales presentation for a new client, it's a different type of skill that is often required. So the kind of things you can help them with are helping them make the presentation and themselves more engaging. So for example, pay attention to their vocal variety. Are they speaking in monotone, or there's more inflection in their presentation? Look at their body language, their posture, how they move their hands, right? They'll have to look real and engaging in front of their audience. Also, eye contact. Are they making eye contact with the audience, or are they trying to look away? And finally, look for opportunities to help them infuse humor where appropriate. People like to laugh and find something amusing, especially when the presentation is maybe dry or too complex. So these are just a few tips to help your attorneys to make their client presentations more engaging. I'm Yulia Leroux, co-founder of 2020 Leadership Group. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so by clicking the button below. Here's to your success!